Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This one is all about hair transformations. Amazing hairstylish transforming hairstyles that will make your jaws drop. Well, they may just leave you speechless. Hair Transformation 1 features a boring set of curls that gets turned into a vibrant, bold colored strands by the end of the transformation. Hair Transformation 2 showcases a stylist turning a blonde's everyday, mundane hairstyle into a gorgeous, icy gray blonde, perfect for the new season ahead. Hair Transformation 4 features long, blonde, highlighted strands being cut and styled into a short, shoulder-length blonde lob. Hair Transformation 5 features a stylist starting off with light sherbet colored hair and then turning it into a vibrant rainbow colored strand with a few pops of glitter mixed in for added fun. Hair Transformation number 6 shows a stylist changing up her grown-out ombre blonde strands and turning them into a playful pink hue. Hair transformation number 7 features another curly hair transformation. This curly hair maven goes from deep, dark strands to gently highlighted hued hair. Hair transformation 8 features a stylist changing up a new mom's hairstyle. She goes from long, dark strands to a short, shoulder-length highlighted lob. Hair transformation 9 features a stylist who specializes in men's hair. He shows us in this clip how he uses a custom hair piece to create a style that's natural, full, and modern. Hair transformation 10 features a hair transformation on a short bob. The stylist uses 2 colors to create a combination that's simply stunning. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe for more fashion trends, hairstyles, and beauty tips. Until next time, ciao bellas!